Hello friends, you are watching Silly Expert. Today we are going to see how to check your software and hardware information on Ubuntu or any other Linux system. You can check this information by going into settings. Like here, we need to go into about, and in about you can see your device name, memory size, processor name, graphics name, disk capacity, and your OS name. But this information is in abstract format. If you want to see a total information about your CPU and about your OS, then follow these steps. First, go into terminal. Let me increase the font size here so you can see it clearly. Okay, I think that's enough. You can use uname command and it displays your operating system name. You can use uname -r, it shows you Linux kernel version. If you want to see information about your CPU, then you have to type lscpu command. Here it shows you information about CPU architecture, then it shows number of cores, it says model name, your CPU's maximum and minimum frequency in megahertz. You can see it here. If you want to check the information about your battery, your storage, your RAM, then you need to use different commands. But this is very tiresome task. So if you want all this information at one place and on a single click, then you need to install a very small program named Hardinfo. To install this program, just type sudo apt install Hardinfo. Here sudo means super user do. Apt is command line interface for software management. Install command installs the particular program, and Hardinfo is the name of our program which we are going to install now. Just hit enter button and it asks you for password. Just type your password, then hit enter, and our program is now getting downloaded here. It's very small program, less than 1 MB disk space will be occupied by this program. And that's it, the program has now installed. To run this program, just type the name of the program, Hardinfo. Click enter. Now it has opened a new window. Here you can see on the left side there are different categories, and on the right side here it shows the information. Like in a computer, it is showing us operating system info, CPU info, RAM, motherboard, graphics, storage. This is the computer summary. If you want detailed summary, then click on summary. It is showing us information in detail. You can see information about your operating system. Here you can see a kernel version here. When this system was updated, it is showing a date. If you want to check info about your display, here it is showing you info about your display. Then under devices section, you can check the information about your processor. It is showing your model name, family, microcode version, cache size, and etc. You can check info about memory, PC Xpert devices, printers, battery, storage. This is name of the hard disk and this is the vendor. In my case, this is Toshiba. In network section, it shows info about your IP address and device MAC address. In benchmark section, it has various benchmarks. It runs and shows you the result and compares it with other CPUs. If you want to copy this information elsewhere, just click on copy to clipboard, or if you want to generate the report file, then click here on generate report. Here it gives user options, which fields you want to select. You can select them, or if you don't want, then you can unselect them or uncheck them. Then just hit generate. You can save this report file in HTML or in a plain text format. Just click on save. Okay, select the folder and click on save. If you want to open this report on a web browser, then click on open, otherwise press no. I think that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in next one. Please wear mask and stay safe.